Welcome back to another video, guys. We got Omar back. Oh, it's really bright out here. Not good lighting. So today we're working on the FC. On today's episode, we got FD alternator conversion. So we're basically just gonna swap out the alternator, and we are going to install this FD one because stock alternator is 60 amps and apparently it's very trash. So we're gonna swap it with this FD alternator sitting at 100 amps. So here we have an AC Delco alternator, and here I have the FD or FC to FD alternator wiring conversion. Old alternator, that's a scrawny little thing. Boom, FD alternator. So we took our new wiring harness and it clips into the back of the alternator, just like that. And then this
goes into where the old one plugged in.
goes into this.
And then here's our ground.
Yeah, and then we're just gonna mount it. What's up, guys? It's currently 9 p.m. and I just got off work. This package just came in, and pretty much this is going to complete my alternator conversion. So last clip you saw, we held off for like a couple days because I was waiting for this part to come in, and now that it's here, we can finish this conversion. Let's go. Alright guys, so we got the alternator in, and now it is time to test.
Yep.
It is time to test. Why did it drop? I don't like that my voltage is sitting lower than what it used to be.
What it used to be at.
It's alternators are supposed to test at 14 volts, but not at 12. Alright guys, now that it's daytime, I can show you the completed FD converted alternator.
Stop the cap! Stop the cap right now! Stop the cap!
So here we have the FD alternator. This is an AC Delco one. This one produces 100 amps compared to the stock S4 60 amp alternator. So this will help me out a lot. We're running the same belt that I had on previously, except now we have a dual sheath pulley. This also helps a lot. This helped me mount this V belt on because the FD alternator uses a serpentine belt while the FC uses a V belt. So in order to have the V belt sit, we had to use this double sheath. Alright, coming around to this side, we have the wiring kit made by G-Spec. And this basically helps you complete your FD conversion because the wiring setup is different from the FD compared to the S4 FC. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys a little tip here. This alternator bracket, you can actually get a new one that's meant to help you out with the FD conversion. But I didn't. I just stuck with the stock mounting bracket right here. It still works, but if you guys want to have an easier time and probably some better fitment, run with the new bracket.